I'm Katie. This is Living in the Now. On my channel, I give manifesting tips to help you to manifest everything you desire. Today's video is on the second way that things manifest. Manifesting can be easy and effortless once you understand how it works. Be sure to like my video, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can see when my next video comes out, and so I can help and reach more people. And if you want to hear the first way things manifest, check out that video first in the description box below. And that's called The First Way Things Manifest. So, the second way that things manifest is by doing the first way and steps, but along with that, you would more closely daily monitor your thoughts. I'd suggest this way for things that you've wanted for a long time or that haven't happened yet. Or the bigger, more significant things that probably have a lot of bad thoughts around it or in it. So do the first part, where you decide what you want, you say what you want, and you feel or see yourself as having it, simply because you said you want it. Then have set, chosen, core thoughts and stories that you refer back to and that you say to yourself. Ones that are easy to remember and think of while you're out in the world, or easy to say or think of if your desire comes up randomly. This is what it means by monitoring your thoughts. You keep positive thoughts about your desire at all times until it manifests. It might seem pretty hard to do at first, but once you start to have those core thoughts, and you keep saying them, it gets easier and easier, and the bad thoughts or the negative reoccurring thoughts just sort of fade away and fall away a lot faster. See my video called Mental Diet on more information on how to do that as well. So core thoughts and stories that you'd keep daily are ones like, manifesting a relationship is easy. Manifesting money is easy. I always get what I want. I say what I want and it happens. Those are core stories and thoughts about all things in general. And those are good to start with. They give you stability. It feels like a fake thing that you're saying at first, and a made-up story, but it is. And that's just how it works. Your thoughts create, so it all starts with your thoughts. Life is your thoughts and thought stories played out, and that is what ends up happening in your life. So choose a new story for yourself. You can't change anything in your life without first changing your thoughts. Your thoughts are projected out, and you become internally led to things that you said you wanted. Things, people, and everything becomes arranged to bring about your desire. You can only see and perceive things from your core story, and from what you focus on, and from what you say that you want. So have those base core thoughts and stories, and then from that you add what you want specifically when you decide or realize that you want it. So that would go like, manifesting a relationship is easy. I want a girlfriend or boyfriend. I want a partner who's a perfect fit for me. A partner who checks off every box. I want a partner I have a good connection with. See how the core thought is manifesting a relationship is easy? And then you would add what you want to it, which is I want a boyfriend or girlfriend or relationship. So together, it goes, manifesting a relationship is easy for me. I want a boyfriend or girlfriend. If the thought comes up randomly during the day, you go back to that core type of story. Manifesting a girlfriend or boyfriend was easy, or is easy, or I always get what I want. I want a boyfriend or girlfriend. So it is monitoring your thoughts and persisting in them whenever they come up. The point is to always think positive about your desire and leave it on a good note each time. It can be past tense like, I manifested a partner, it was easy. Or present tense like, manifesting a relationship is easy for me. Both can work. I'd suggest doing both so you feel that you have it or will have it. Like for example, you realize you can't buy an item you really want. You'd say, manifesting is easy for me. I always get what I want. Manifesting money is easy for me. I want this item. And you stay with that story. Even if you can't buy it right that second, if you stay with the story, a way will show up or happen, or you'll get the item another way. If you see a couple and you're jealous because you want a boyfriend or girlfriend, then say, manifesting a relationship is easy for me. I always get what I want. I want a girlfriend or boyfriend. I want a relationship. I want a love like that. I want them to do that for me. I want manifesting a relationship to be easy for me. I manifested a relationship and it was easy for me. Manifesting a relationship is easy for me. See, you caught all those bad thoughts and you turned them positive towards your desire. And so since you think good about your desire, it can happen for you. You don't have to affirm and be crazy with it all day long. Just if the desire comes up, think that positive statement and then try to do or think of something else. And just remain good and content in life overall and emotionally stable. So you remain aligned. Being aligned and saying what you want has it happen fast. You can also talk about your desires in your head, like you would be saying naturally if you had it. Like, yes, I always have money. I'm in a relationship. Talk in your head like you would talk to a friend about it. Often we summarize it. Even though you do that, it can still end up specific. Like to a friend you say, I'm in a relationship. They're perfect for me. I'm so happy with them. Have natural, everyday thoughts that align with your desire. The point of this one is sometimes taking an affirmation you find somewhere and forcing yourself to say it doesn't feel natural or real or like you. And so you also may not feel it or feel how it would feel to say that if the feeling when you say it is natural for you. For example, if I had lots of money, I'd most likely say, I always have money. I can buy anything I want. A forced affirmation you find may be like, I'm a millionaire. I'm so wealthy. But doesn't the first one feel more natural? Then once that money starts to pile up, then add or say to the story, I'm a millionaire, but aim for natural thoughts first. Like manifesting money is easy for me also works. For a relationship, a forced affirmation you find may be, I'm desirable, everyone wants me. But does that feel natural for you or what you would say if you had your desire? You'd probably say, I met the perfect person for me. We both feel the same for each other. So to sum it up, the way things manifest is you say what you want, you see yourself as having it, and you feel good about it, and it will happen. Or you say what you want, you see yourself as having it, you feel good about it, and then you continue to monitor your thoughts daily as they come up and persist in your new desired story until it manifests and happens. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.